Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the different marketing tools out there, wondering if there was just one tool that could do it all and for an affordable price? I 100% understand the struggle. I used to use 6 different softwares for my marketing agency, but when I started using GoHighLevel, everything changed. Some things for the better and some for the worse. But with everyone talking about GoHighLevel, is it even worth it? Well, in this video, I'm going to cover 6 key questions that could make or break your decision on GoHighLevel, how to decide whether it's the right fit for you, and why a tool that supposedly does everything could be more hassle than help. And if you're on the fence about GoHighLevel, this video will save you hours of research and stress.
But Jasper, you're just an affiliate for GoHighLevel, so you're biased.
Well, yes, that's true, but I've been using GoHighLevel for over 3 years, and I'm going to cover the good, the bad, and the ugly so you can make a better informed decision. First off, what exactly is GoHighLevel? Well, really, its official name is HighLevel, but everyone calls it GoHighLevel, and when you're really into the GoHighLevel world, you'll call it GHL. Say it with me now. GHL, 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 GHL. It's an all-in-one marketing platform specifically made for agencies and businesses. Its main features are email and text message marketing, website and funnel builder, automations, course and community builder, AI chatbots, and a million other things. But with great features comes great,
don't say it, don't you dare say it,
learning curve.
Didn't see that coming.
Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of digital marketing. It gives you one platform to run and market your entire business or agency, all without switching between 10 different tabs. All these damn tabs. All these damn tabs. And I'll dive into the features a little bit later. But like I said before, learning all these features can be pretty time consuming and take some time to set up. But then again, all good things take time, and you're likely to find the same issue with any marketing software or CRM that you use. And setting up a system with most things is 100% worth it because of the time you'll save and extra money you'll make. And HighLevel offers a 30-day free trial to let you try out all the features of the software before you start paying, so you can see if it's a good fit or not. But don't sign up yet. You'll still want to watch till the end of this video to see if HighLevel is a good fit for you or not. And that leads us to our next question. Who is GoHighLevel for? GoHighLevel was originally built for marketing agencies specifically, but on the other hand, small businesses like realtors, home service guys, or even a barbershop can sign up directly with HighLevel and just use it to market their own business with no need to white label it. Personally, I white label HighLevel and use it to build websites for local businesses, do SEO for them, automate their SMS and email marketing, and I charge them a setup fee and monthly subscription. But you don't have to offer the same services I do. You can offer whatever features of the software you want. But in my opinion, HighLevel is not built for your large businesses that have over 100 employees. There are definitely better software options out there for large businesses like HubSpot or Salesforce. So if you're a large business or an agency that works with large businesses, then HighLevel is probably not the best fit for you. Now you know who GoHighLevel is for, but how much does it cost and which subscription do you need? GoHighLevel's pricing starts at $97 a month on their starter plan, which gives you access to 3 sub-accounts. One sub-account equals 1 business, so that means you can set up 3 different businesses on the $97 plan. This plan gives you access to all of the features of the software, except you can't white label the software on the $97 plan. Next is the $297 plan. It's called the Agency Pro plan, which gives you unlimited sub-accounts, which means you can set up unlimited businesses with their own accounts, and it gives you the ability to white label the software as your own. So hypothetically, you could have 20 clients paying you $200 a month each, and you'd be making $4,000 a month, but you'd still only pay HighLevel your $297 a month subscription. And lastly, they have a $497 plan called the SaaS Pro plan, which is almost identical to the $297 plan, but it allows you to upsell SMS, email, and AI credits at a higher price so you can make additional profit on your agency clients. And it allows you to fully automate the creation of sub-accounts when a client starts paying so you can get them set up with no manual work. But there are some additional costs when using HighLevel, which include sending text messages, sending emails, using their AI features, buying phone numbers, registering a phone number, and some different software plugins that you might want to use. These additional costs usually don't add up to be very much. On average, I spend about $30 a month between all of them. But to recap, if you're a business owner just wanting to use HighLevel for your own business or up to 3 businesses, then the $97 plan is perfect for you. If you're an agency owner and you want the ability to resell your white labeled HighLevel to your agency clients, you'll want to sign up for the $297 plan. And if you want a fully automated SaaS business when clients sign up and pay, then the $497 plan is best for you. And you can always start on the $97 plan and upgrade as you go. Yeah, can I get a small fry?
How about a medium instead?
Sure, I'll do medium.
Actually, we're out of mediums. How about a large fry instead?
All right, you got me. I'll do large. What makes GoHighLevel unique is that it's all in one. While other tools might specialize in one thing, GoHighLevel gives you everything you need under one roof. The first most used feature we can jump into is the funnel and website builder. The first pro to the website and funnel builder inside of HighLevel is that it's very drag and drop and easy to use. You can click different elements over here and you can literally just drag them onto the website wherever you want them. Then you can just select them and you can style them over here on the right. So if we wanted to change the color of this button, we can do that, or the shape or the font inside of it. All that can be styled over on the right, and then everything else can literally just be dragged and dropped wherever you want it on the website or the funnel. The next advantage is that there are thousands of funnel and website templates that you can choose from for inspiration. So if I want to do a new website, I can go to From Templates, and then it'll show me a template library of all of the different website templates that have been built by HighLevel that we can use for inspiration. We can preview them, we can check them out. So that's a huge advantage, just to make website building and funnel building a lot easier, give us some basic inspiration that we can build off of for our own website or funnel. Another benefit would be the built-in lead captures in GoHighLevel. We have forms here that can capture name, email, phone number, and other questions from our leads that come to our website or funnel. We have this little chat widget bubble that people can go to and fill in their name, email, phone number, and send a message to us as the business or to one of our clients. And then we also have a calendar booking system. We can embed calendars directly onto our websites and our funnels where people can book with our business or our agency or for our client's business. Some of the cons would be the limiting design and element positioning. If we're trying to add an element to a specific part of the page here, we're kind of limited to where we can drag it. We can't just like drag and drop it wherever we want. And so we are limited a little bit. There are some other website builders that allow you to more freely drag and drop different elements. And so this one is slightly limited. Another disadvantage is that we're limited to the amount of effects we can add on scroll. So if you scroll down, you can see some effects are happening, these fade-ins of the text and things like that. But inside the website builder, we don't have a ton of options for those different effects. If I click on an element here and I go to animations, these are all the animations that you can select from. I know some other website builders that are just website builders and they specialize in website or funnels can do more of these different elements. And so that is one thing that HighLevel is a little bit limited on. And then the last con, mainly pertaining to the website builder, is that it's not easily optimizable for SEO. We do have some options for SEO if we click here that we can add into our website backend, but it's not super great for SEO. There are other website builders out there that have more options and plugins and tools specifically for SEO and ranking higher on Google. So you have to do a little bit more legwork on GoHighLevel websites to get them ranked higher on Google. Next up are the email marketing capabilities. First pro is that we can send bulk emails up to 50,000 per day. We can select all of our leads here, and then we can simply click the send email button, and then we can go through, type out our email, and then send a bulk email out to all of our leads and clients. Another benefit is that we can automate email drip campaigns. So whenever we capture a new lead through our website or through a funnel or through ads, we can then automatically follow up with emails. We can wait for them to reply. And then if they don't reply after a certain amount of time, we can continue to send them emails. If they do reply, we can send them different emails. And so you can kind of create these automated sequences based on how people reply. And you can do this all automatically without any manual work involved. So super powerful stuff. Another pro is that HighLevel has tons of email templates that you can use for different niches for any campaigns that you're trying to run. And when we go in to edit the actual email, the email builder is very simple to use, very similar to the website and funnel builder, where you can simply drag elements wherever you want onto the email, and you can build out really nice looking customized emails. One of the cons of the email marketing tool is that deliverability is not always great, and it can be hard to warm up your email whenever you first create it. If you first start sending emails with a brand new email, your deliverability is not going to be very high. You're not going to land in the inbox. You're probably going to go to spam a lot more often. And there's no tool inside of HighLevel to warm up your email very quickly. So it can take a while before your emails will start delivering. You can see here the stats of one of my email campaigns to give you an idea of how the delivery is in HighLevel. My email has really bad health, and so that's something I need to fix. But yeah, one of the cons is that it can be hard to warm up your email and get it to a point where your delivery is really good. Next up are the SMS marketing capabilities. The first pro to this is that you can send bulk SMS up to 5,000 of them per day. You can simply click all of your leads here, you can select all of them, and then you can click the SMS button, and then you can type out your text message that you want to send, and you can send them all at once, or you can drip them out to send 5,000 a day, because in this case we selected 47,000 leads, so we would have to drip them out because it's only going to send 5,000 a day. But you can do this in bulk, which is really powerful for your marketing. Another pro is that you can automate SMS drip campaigns. So after you capture a lead through a form, you can then send them an automatic text message. You can then wait a day or a few minutes or a few hours and then send them another message, wait again, send them another message. And you can create branches. If they reply, it'll send them a specific message. If they don't reply, then it'll send a follow-up message after a few days. So you can really customize your follow-up with text message, and it's automated. And another pro with this is that text message has 100% deliverability. As long as the contact's phone number isn't bad, right? It'll always land in their main inbox. There's only one inbox for text message. And so your viewers, your leads, your contacts are almost always going to see your text messages that you send to them. Now, one of the cons to the SMS is that it can become expensive if you're sending a large number of texts. You can see last month, I spent $2,000 on text messages. I'm sending a lot of text messages, right? But each text message costs 0.0079 cents. So not quite 1 cent per text message. And that's per segment. If your texts are really long, they can count as multiple segments and cost you more. And so if you're sending a lot, it can become pricey to send these text messages out. Another headache is that in order to send text messages, you have to get this A2P approval. You have to fill out a form, talk about your business, say how you're going to be using this phone number and how you're going to be texting people and your leads and clients, and then it has to come back and get approved. Sometimes this process can take up to a week. I've seen cases as long as 2 weeks, but usually if you set it up right and do it right the first time, it'll just take a few days to get approved. But this can be a little bit of a headache because you have to do this for each of your clients. If you're an agency, if you're a business owner just using HighLevel for yourself, you'll just have to do this one time and then you'll be good and you can text people from that phone number. But you have to go through this process anytime you get a new phone number that you want to send text messages from if you're in the US and Canada. If you're not in the US and Canada, you don't have to fill this out and do this A2P process, but it is a bit of a headache and it costs $20 to get your A2P registration submitted. And so it is an extra cost to do that and be able to send text messages. And then the last con when you're sending bulk text messages, if too many of them bounce because the phone numbers are bad or they're from other countries and you can't send text to other countries, and a lot of these messages will look like this, they'll say unsuccessful. Basically, your text messages will stop sending in the campaign that you're trying to run and your number will get suspended for 24 hours and you have to wait 24 hours to be able to send text again. So if you're doing bulk text message campaigns, just make sure a lot of those phone numbers you're texting are actually real numbers that can receive texts and they're not a bunch of landline phones that can't get text, or they're not a bunch of fake numbers. So if you try doing that, your number can get suspended. They're trying to do that to protect your phone number, but anyway, it's a little bit annoying sometimes when your number gets suspended and you don't know why. Next is the course and community builder. One of the pros to the course and community builder is that it's very simple to use. You can just click create product, start from scratch, and then you can go like a sprint course, like a short course, a marathon, longer course. Let's do a sprint course, and then you can name it, create it, and then you can add videos into each section. You can add a text down below each video. It's really easy to upload your different files and your thumbnail for each lesson. So pretty easy to use for someone who's never built out a course or a community before. It's nice that you can do free or paid courses. So you can go in here and add a price to your course. And so when somebody goes to access it, they put in their name, email, phone number, then they'll have to put in their credit card as well in order to pay for that course. And so you could do free or paid courses and communities. And also you can track activity of people inside your course or community and see how they've interacted with the videos and the different content and things that you have. And so you can see if they've started it or not, last time they accessed it, some really good data just to see how people are actually using your courses and communities. Some of the cons is that the course and community builder is not quite as customizable as some other softwares out there. I know Kajabi is definitely one that's better for course building. Skool is a platform where you can build communities and you can host your course inside of Skool communities. And the GoHighLevel community builder is not quite up to par with a company like Skool, but that's all Skool does. And so considering GoHighLevel has communities plus a million other features, it's pretty impressive. But for those features alone, they're not quite as good as some of the competitors out there. And the new communities app for HighLevel is called GoCollab, which just isn't quite as mainstream as something like Skool, as I mentioned before. And so whenever people go to Skool, they can find your community in Skool organically through the search feature. And GoCollab, as of right now, does not have that search feature. And there's just not a ton of people using GoCollab. And so if you create a community there, you're only going to get members in that community of people that you directly invite. You're not going to get organic people just finding your community through the search feature just because it's not as mainstream yet. And the last popular features of HighLevel are the AI voice assistants and AI chatbots. The pros of the AI chatbots and the AI voice bots is that they will chat with your customers and leads on autopilot, which saves a ton of time. This allows you to have really fast speed to lead. Whenever you capture a new lead, the bot will immediately engage with that leader. When they call into a business, the bot will answer the phone and actually chat with them. And so it just increases your chances of converting leads because it engages with them really fast. Another benefit of the AI chat and AI voice bots is that they're fully customizable and trainable. You can plug in a website right here, any website, and click get data, and it'll crawl the entire website and train itself on all of the information, so then it can answer questions that people ask that are found on the website. You can also feed it your own manual Q&A right here, so when you know that customers ask a lot of the same questions, you can plug those in here and tell the bot how you would like it to respond. And so it just makes it fully customizable, so the bot will act and answer questions exactly how you want it to. The cons of this is that they don't always respond perfectly human like you would want them to, because they're AI, and so they'll only respond as good as you've trained them to respond. And then I've also seen cases where the bot doesn't understand what the lead or customer is saying, and it says, I do not have enough information to help you with this. And so sometimes it can get choked up if you haven't fully trained it with every single question out there. And sometimes leads and clients will ask some really weird questions. And so anyway, the bot won't always perfectly reply with an awesome answer every single time. But with so many features inside of HighLevel, you're probably wondering if they have customer support, and is it any good? The short answer, yes, GoHighLevel offers support. They have 24/7 live chat support right inside of your account. They'll jump on Zoom calls with you right away if needed. They have a large library of tutorial videos and forums, and they have a solid Facebook community. But while all of this sounds nice, it's not always super quick to find the answers you're looking for. Most of HighLevel's 24/7 support reps can only help with basic level support. If they can't answer your question or help you with your issue, which is fairly often, then they will create an email ticket for you to send to a higher level, no pun intended, support rep. And those tickets can sometimes take up to 5 days to get a response. And even if you know how to use the software, it doesn't mean you'll get great results from it. There are tons of different marketing strategies you can implement when using HighLevel, and if you don't know the strategies, you won't get results. A good example of this would be email copywriting. GoHighLevel gives you the ability to send bulk email campaigns to all of your leads at once, but if your email copy is bad, you won't convert many of those leads into clients. So in order to get the best results out of HighLevel's email sending tool, you'll need to learn better copywriting. This is why I highly recommend signing up for HighLevel with an affiliate like myself. Not saying me specifically, but if you want to sign up for HighLevel and you do it with my link down below this video, I'll love you forever, and I'll give you all the bonuses that you see down below this video. But all jokes aside, some of us have years of experience with marketing and using HighLevel, and we can help you with your marketing strategies and answer questions much faster and better than HighLevel's in-house support can. And most affiliates will help for free just by signing up with their affiliate link. And also, HighLevel's official Facebook community, which is called HighLevel Official Community, is a really good place for posting questions, because there are a lot of marketing experts and software geniuses that know the features like the back of their hands. Now you know almost everything you need to make a decision on HighLevel, but how effective is it really for generating leads? Because I know we're all here for more leads. Well, to be honest, HighLevel in and of itself doesn't really generate leads. The lead generation part is more done through other avenues like running paid Facebook or Google ads, posting organic content on social media, or traffic from Google because your SEO is good. Where HighLevel does shine through is the lead capture and lead nurturing. For example, when a lead comes through your Facebook ad and lands on your funnel that you built in HighLevel, the funnel then captures the lead's information, could be through a form or a calendar booking, and then the automated text and emails sent to that lead to nurture them more. Or when somebody sees your YouTube video you posted and then they click the link in your bio, which gives them access to your free course that you built in HighLevel, then as they watch the course, it nurtures them and they decide to reach out to pay for your paid coaching program. I mean, sure, HighLevel definitely helps with lead generation, but it's an absolute rock star when it comes to lead capture and lead nurture. It's like putting your leads in a cozy blanket and handing them hot cocoa while gently reminding them why they need your services. Before signing up, you really just need to ask yourself, do I need an all-in-one marketing platform like HighLevel? Am I ready to put in the time to learn this system or pay someone to set it up for me? And will this save me time and money compared to the tools I'm already using? And if you answered yes to these, HighLevel will be a perfect fit. But if you just sign up and hope for the best, don't expect any magic to happen overnight. You have to put in the work, learn the system, and tweak it for your business. But if you want to learn the exact step-by-step to setting up your entire GoHighLevel account for your agency or business, then check out this video right here.